Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do puzzles in Heartopia. So you're going to purchase your puzzles from Kaching, which I already bought. Grab the puzzle that you want to solve. This is what they should look like, by the way. Let's do this one. And we're going to, let's do this one. We're going to place it in our house, basically. This is the medium puzzle. Press the puzzle icon here, start puzzle, and you're going to start. If you're trying to do just the corners for the challenge, you're able to do that. It says only show edge puzzle pieces now, so just grab your puzzles, and for instance you want to do your edge pieces first, you can kind of do that. Just kind of see where they snap in place. Just drag and drop them. I usually like doing the corner pieces first, like these ones, so I can figure out where to place the rest. You can scroll them here. Where are the other corner pieces? Well, that's fine. Just gonna place these first. Okay, and here you can unclick it. Here's where you can kind of see the full image of it. I don't know what this does. I'm not going to click it. But yeah, that's how you can kind of do puzzles in Heartopia. This is basically for the dreams kind of section. Let me complete the corners. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. It would mean a lot to me and obviously for this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!